Hey everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech, and today I'm going to do a quick look and just an unboxing of this Momax power bank, and it's the Q Power Touch. So this is a wireless charging bank, so you can, if you have a phone or AirPods or anything else that you might want to charge without plugging it in, this does have a wireless ability. It has 10 watt fast wireless charging, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, power delivery 3.0, it's 10,000 milliamp hour battery, 20 watts in and out. You can charge it with one cable. You can use a lightning cable to charge it, so that's nice. And specifically they did make this for, and I maybe should have said that from the bat, it's made for Apple products, right? So that's why they're mentioning the lightning port. Now, obviously, you could use Android phones with this, but I'm just saying that it's basically kind of like a made for iPhone sort of deal. So we'll go ahead and unbox this real quick. So there is a little bit of a instruction booklet, warranty manual, etc. And then they do give you just a USB-C to regular USB cable. Pretty short. And then this is the actual device. So it's like a soft touch fabric, kind of. Not too heavy, very kind of Apple-esque from a look and feel. And I really think it's probably one of the better looking power banks that I've seen. So you have a regular USB, a USB-C, and a lightning port. So it looks like that lightning is for charging it. So that's an input lightning cable, and then a USB-C power delivery in and out, and then Quick Charge 3 output as well. So yeah, so this is basically the deal. I don't know if you can see, there's like two. It's only partially charged right now, but I'm just going to quickly test out the charging ability. So here it is. Here's my iPhone 13 Pro Max with an Apple case. So I've got the device. Go ahead, put this on, and as you can see, it will start charging. So very cool. And from a size perspective, like I said, this iPhone 13 Pro Max, a little bit smaller than the phone, but overall not too big, not too small, and yeah, pretty lightweight for having 10,000 milliamp hours of capacity. I'm going to add some more specs to this in the description, and basically a link to this also. But as you can see, there's some LEDs here for the charge state, like I said, the ports, and that's basically it. This is a plastic. It looks like aluminum, but I believe that is plastic. But definitely something you could slip in your pocket, something you could use to charge your AirPods wirelessly if you have AirPods with a wireless charging case. And overall, just a really, really slick looking device. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and post those below. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.